Today I'm changing the air filter on this 2016 Honda Rancher. I'm going to go with a uni filter, foam filter that you have to oil. First thing, pop off the seat. These things are really awesome to work on, they're so easy. Pop these tabs and pull the air box lid off. There's our factory air filter. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen that up. And then you just pull it up and away. And there it is. This one isn't that bad. It isn't great, but it's been in there about a year. I'd say about 500 miles. And there's the inside of your air box, in case you were wondering. So next, we got the uni filter here. This is not ready to go in. It has to be oiled, but I'm just test fitting it, make sure it'll fit. And it looks like it will. One thing though, I noticed, I'm going to save the Honda clamp because that's a Phillips, and this is just a flat blade, and I prefer the Phillips. So I'm going to show you how to oil this filter, and then we'll pop this on. Okay, the instructions in the kit. I bought the kit, the service kit here. So this has the cleaner and the oil, which I don't need the cleaner because this one is brand new. Here's the oil right here. And it says on the instructions that came with the filter, it wants you to like pour it into a tub and roll it around. But then the can here has different instructions. The can actually says hold the can 12 inches away and spray both the inner and outer surfaces. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then massage it in. So we're just going to do that spray method. I'll start with the inside. Coat all the surfaces really good. Okay, and then I'm going to do the top. Put some dirt on there. It's alright, it likes it. Spray it again. Do one more round. Okay, now just gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so I waited the 5 minutes. It tells you to knead the filter, squish it around a little bit. So I did all that, sprayed it with one more light coat. Seems like everything's fully saturated. So I'm ready to put it on. I got the Honda clamp back on there with the Phillips head. That's just a preference for me. And I didn't mention, but this uni filter does come with the cage. The factory Honda cage here. The foam filter slips over. So when you buy a replacement OEM filter, you keep this and your foam filter just slides over that. But the uni comes with the cage. So I'm going to slide that on there. Simple as that. Tighten your clamp. Looks good. Make sure nothing will fall apart or wiggle loose or anything. That looks good. And there's your brand new uni filter. And of course, the most important thing with any aftermarket part, you won't get full horsepower or benefits if you don't install your sticker. So that's good for about 10 horse for sure. Just for fun, we're going to fire this thing up with the airbox lid off. Now, it's going to sound throaty and really cool, but it would sound like that with the OEM filter with the airbox lid off. I'm just doing it just for the hell of it. It's not warmed up, that's why it's pissed off at me. So if you put the airbox lid back on, it quiets it right up. And I don't recommend driving it around with the airbox lid off, because it's sealed, keeps water out, and it would run too lean and all that, but it's a lot quieter now. Now what you're hearing is the exhaust. So that's it. That's changing the air filter. You can actually clean the OEM. I'll shut that off. You could actually clean the OEM filters if you want. They can be cleaned with the Uni kit or any kit that's similar, and then re-oiled and reused, but you don't get a cool sticker with a factory air filter. So, all right, that's it.